Long-arm quilting machines make it easier to finish large quilts with precision and speed, giving you more control over stitching and design. The best models combine a spacious throat, smooth fabric handling, and reliable performance to help both hobbyists and serious quilters achieve beautiful professional results. Starting at number 1, Janome MC665U Sewing Machine. The Janome MC6650 sewing and quilting machine is a feature-rich computerized sewing machine designed for serious sewists and quilters who want professional-level performance at home. It offers a spacious 10-inch all-metal seamless flatbed workspace that makes handling large projects like quilts and garments easier, and can sew at up to 1,000 stitches per minute for fast, precise stitching. The machine includes 170 built-in stitches plus 2 alphabets, a 3.6-inch LCD screen for easy selection and customization, 1-push needle plate conversion, automatic thread cutter, superior needle threader, and bright LED lighting in multiple positions to illuminate your work area. With features like memorized needle up-down, speed control slider, and a top-loading full rotary hook bobbin system, the MC6650 combines versatility and convenience for a wide range of sewing and quilting tasks. Number 2. Brother PQ600S Sewing Machine. The Brother PQ1600S High-Speed Straight Stitch Sewing and Quilting Machine is a powerful and professional-level sewing machine built for serious sewists, quilters, and garment makers. It delivers up to 1,500 stitches per minute, giving you fast and precise straight stitch performance, and features a large workspace with an extra-wide table to comfortably handle big projects like quilts and home decor. The machine includes a push-button thread cutter, adjustable pin feed mechanism for smooth fabric control, and multiple feed dog settings to work with a variety of materials, plus a built-in knee lifter and telescopic thread stand for easier handling. With its sturdy build and practical features, the PQ600S is designed to boost productivity and quality for both quilting and general sewing tasks. Number 3. JUKI TL2000 Key Sewing Machine. The JUKI TL2000 Key Sewing and Quilting Machine is a high-performance, single-needle, straight-stitch machine designed for both sewing and quilting enthusiasts who want professional results. It features a powerful motor that delivers high sewing speeds of up to 1,500 stitches per minute, making it ideal for handling thick fabrics and large quilting projects with ease. The machine is built with an aluminum die-cast frame for durability and stability, ensuring smooth and precise stitching. It includes an automatic needle threader, knee lifter for hands-free presser foot control, and an extended sewing table to support larger projects. Known for its reliability and ease of use, the TL2000 Key is a favorite among quilters who need consistent stitch quality, strong performance, and long-lasting durability in their sewing machine. Number 4. Singer Quantum 9960 Sewing Machine. The Singer Quantum Stylist 9960 computerized sewing and quilting machine is a feature-rich computerized sewing and quilting machine designed for creative sewists and advanced projects. Offering up to 600 built-in stitches, including decorative options and lettering, plus 13 one-step automatic buttonhole styles to give your work a polished, professional look. It comes with an extension table and a hard case, making it easier to handle larger pieces like quilts and home decor fabrics, and includes a wide range of accessories stored conveniently on the machine. With helpful automatic features, such as a built-in needle threader, thread cutter, adjustable stitch length and width, and speed control, this machine aims to make sewing faster and more enjoyable, while its sturdy metal interior frame enhances durability and stability during use. Number 5. Singer C7290Q Sewing Machine. The Singer C7290Q computerized sewing and quilting machine is a versatile computerized sewing and quilting machine that's designed to support a wide range of projects, from everyday sewing to detailed quilt work, with 417 stitch applications, including decorative options, and an alphabet/lettering font for personalization. It comes with a removable extension table that makes handling larger pieces like quilts much easier, and includes 12 presser feet and accessories to help you tackle different techniques and fabrics. The machine also features convenient functions such as one-step buttonhole styles, an LCD screen for clear stitch selection and settings, a built-in needle threader, top drop-in bobbin, and a built-in thread cutter, all aimed at making sewing more efficient and enjoyable.